Hurry, how's your mac and cheese?
It's 1,000 out of 10.
Or do you just want to put up pickles?
Bro, you know I did that though.
Mom, would you like living here?
I would like here for a bit and then get tired of it.
Why?
I just want to go back home.
I want to live here.
You don't want to live here?
I would. I want to. Because of this.
Because of days. I wonder
gonna
how
punch
the
him also in the bone.
spicy one is.
I'm going to do
I've
the
seen
combo
people,
from Mortal Kombat.
Like rate all of them, and instead even just the hot is really spicy. And they like start crying and stuff, and their face gets all red. This one is not much spice. It's a little, huh? But it's mild. You expect mild not to be spicy at all. So would you get the same mild again, or would you get a medium? Medium. You would up? Yeah. This spice. It's probably gonna taste really good.
Do you get tired of living there sometimes?
Yeah, because we
Nothing
don't
to
have
do?
access to a bunch of stuff.
Did you guys see that?
I can't even hear like the cars anymore. Like when I hear like a loud muffler, I can't even hear it anymore. Because your truck. Yeah, it's too loud. So I can't go like.
Hello guys. Kyle let me record, so yeah.
Why is that to your mouth like that?
I don't think that's very pleasing for the people to watch.
Boja, do you have any wipes?
And you need something.
I'm
Kaya
gonna grab her
gave
phone.
me her phone, so I get to do this. Anyways, guys, while this is going on, you better like and subscribe. It should be enough. I got this tiny one. How do I flip the camera? Oh. Anyways, this is what I'm eating. If you're wondering what this is Dave's chicken. I'm sorry about that.
She don't claim pimp, but she'll have you working.
Oh my God, bro.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on, boy.
Guys, just to let you know, if you're wondering this is fake, I didn't spit out the food. Like, see? I'm at Phoenix right now. My sister said I could record, so anyways, this is how it happened. I just got done finishing my mac and cheese.
It's nice and warm, Joey.
Huh? Really? Bro, we need to stay out here for the summer, bro. Last time I said that and then she didn't even think.
You know what? We should. But where would we stay?
What's Shamey? We can.
All of us stay with Shamey. You know, Dad doesn't stay with Shamey anymore.
Oh yeah, I know. He lived that. What was his name? Jimmy. I almost called him Jimmy. I almost called him Jimmy.
Hey, Kirby, put this back on the thing you're eating.
We should like get a summer house out here.
What is this?
What do you do?
Buddha has deodorant, lotion, vaporizing.
That's not even mine. That's just all the stuff that are in there.
The wallet.
Remember that one? That's just mine.
Chips.
That's not my chip. That's not mine.
Well, patch it.
Guys, I can't believe it barely been 4 minutes. Guys, I know I'm supposed to be in school right now, but guess what? I'm in Phoenix.
Body bad, and she fine. Fuck it with me, let me.
Just one bite.
That's because I got in my bag.
You still have these.
Kaya, it's a honey packet.
Hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
I want to go to the mall, but I don't know if I can. But I'll beg my parents. I'm somewhere where I don't know where I'm at. It's like I'm kidnapped. I put my backpack in my backpack and I do my backpack.
Oh, God.
Wait.
Oh my God. Kyrie just
Bro,
paused
just
the video. Look. Or try it on yours because yours comes with pickles.
No. Yeah, I saw it too.
It's probably like trying to take this. Mom, do you even bring her phone inside?
Guys, if I'm ever gonna be stopping the video,
Bro.
it's probably because I'm gonna burp or I'm gonna
Fart?
Yes. It's either because of that or if I need to go restroom. So.
Why is your phone all greasy?
For me. It's not quite true, Melanie. Let's just say my feelings have changed, and I still love you, but just as a friend. If that's okay. Friend.
Make way for the airplane.
It looks like you put honey on it.
There's no honey on there. This girl tweaking. It look like chicken.
It's right there.
Does it taste better like this or like that?
I can't tell the difference.
Wait. Can you top this off and some Dr. Pepper? They have the good ice. Bruh, I feel like I'm gonna shot myself. Did you think we're actually
Guys, can you please like and subscribe? My sister's trying to hit 100K. Like and subscribe so you can make her famous and she can make money. Please, at least 100K.